Hey family, how we doing? I'm on here for the real quick 1-2. Just some quick little breakfast tacos I made with some leftover turkey meat and some rice that I had in there. And y'all see, babe, I just woke up. But again, thank y'all for checking in. I wasn't gonna even record. But I was like, but why not? Somebody say why not? I'm eating. I'm talking. I'm almost to the point where this foam is cleared out again. Amen to that. I'm gonna try to stay up on it. Somebody say stay up on it. I came home and got right into bed this morning. It's like almost 2 o'clock, but I was tired at work last night, and I was like, I gotta go home and get into bed. Um, just tired. I'm not even set up properly. My phone is sliding, but I didn't want a thing. Making on some hibiscus tea. Um, I was watching Luenell. Come on, Luenell. Come through, my plus size queen. I have always loved her since day one. I was like, she my type of chick. And y'all, before her and LB even came out, I kind of peeped that. I was like, he always around her. I flying in to see her and different stuff. And what her connection is, the way that she was acting when he gave her a hug and embraced her and stuff like that. And I was like, But sometimes just have genuine love for a person. I have a friend like that I just have genuine love for. So that's what I was thinking and thinking that it was. I didn't think that it was something else with them though. I was like, but honey, when I tell you, baby, he chose wisely. And so did she, because if you choose someone, you choose the person that chooses you. And if you choose the person that loves you, you won't go wrong. You understand what I'm saying? That's a win-win situation. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm so happy for them. I'm extremely happy for Luenell because why? As a plus size woman, society really don't deem us acceptable, acceptable or worthy of love or having that type of man in our life, and we deserve that because we give the best. We deserve the best. Not saying that this man don't have flaws or whatever, but based on reality and what the norm is, you would probably want to see him with a certain type of beauty according to the standards of the world. But Luenell has always been clean to me. Mm-hmm. Always beautiful, always, you know what I'm saying? That. Mm-hmm. But a beautiful thing. And it's funny because at first I was like, are they kidding? Or they just, messing with people or whatever? But then when one of her besties came out talking about it, I said, nah, if it's on the Sherry show, that's another one of my favorites, is Sherry. Uh-huh. I was like, uh-huh. Yeah. It's 100. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Love looks good on her. And him. Mm-hmm. It's a beautiful thing to have someone that love you from a different space. A space that nobody else have access to. Or nobody else don't understand. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But Luenell is the prize. Just understand that. The woman is the prize. Uh-huh. He treats her so nice and so kind as far as I can see. So respectful. We just came across a video, but they was like FaceTiming or whatever. And he calls her Boo Boo Kitty, which is so cute because he's so much taller than her, right? And she just melts like a little kitten for real. Mm-hmm. Uh, she just turns back into a girl. You know what I'm saying? And that's how a man's supposed to make you feel. FY. It brings that girliness back out of you. You know? That youthfulness. Uh-huh. Yeah, dude. So for all those, I'm quite sure people, she was saying that some people was talking noise and this and that, whatever. Y'all better take notes of what it looked like and what it's supposed to look like. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And real acceptance. Because why? Acceptance is the beginning of true love. Mm? He accepted her just like she was, and she accepted him just like he was. And it's a beautiful thing. Facts. All facts. I wish them well, long life together. All that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And she was speaking of when he came to visit her for her birthday. And I think T.I.M. was there or whatever. And they were shocked to see him walk in the door, embrace her like that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And just FYI, when they was talking, he was doing some cold talking to her, talking about some. He wish he was there to feed her and this and that. I, mm-hmm. I overstand what y'all was talking about, Luenell. I said, look at y'all being nasty on the sly. I ain't mad though. Go ahead on, girl. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm. I got 2 more days of work. I'm so glad that this gonna be at the night. It's not that cold. But it's not cold outside. It's not that cold outside. Mm. Well, y'all ain't one thing. I had to get up and put something in my stomach because y'all, I'm going back to bed. Y'all, I'm telling you something. When I be up, trying to sleep, well, when I be asleep rather, I didn't eat anything when I first came home this morning. I went, took my meds and kind of just laid on down because I was exhausted. Um, when my stomach get to churning, baby, I can't sleep. Some people say, like, get up and just drink water. Hell, that don't work for me. Not for real. And I can't stand the empty feeling. It just makes me nauseated. So I got up and ate those little 2 tacos, baby. Take a couple more vitamins, because I didn't take all my vitamins and stuff this morning. I took my medicine. And I'm finna go back to bed. Yeah, man. My dog is on his own today. I threw him a couple raw, one of those rawhide treat things now. Go ahead on her and do your thing. Cause I'm out out at 500 right now. Out at 600, whatever y'all call it. I'm out of pocket. I'm out of pocket, y'all. But anyway, if you're on the highway, be careful back and forth, right? Love yourself. Always love on someone else. And I'm going to see y'all next time. Bye.